In this class, we are to look at Python overview, or what we call Python basics of Python programming. Remember, you are still here at PalmOps Foundation, Elite Schools, and we are making computing easier with your friend. I have a Martin, that is your trainer, and this is my number, WhatsApp number. At the same time, this is my email address. We are still in Python programming, and I'm trying to make it easier for all of us to understand. So let's continue. Python overview, skills to learn in this video. So let us look at Python basics. So Python is a high-level interpreted, interactive, and object-oriented scripting language, as how we defined in the previous videos. So we are saying that Python is designed to be highly readable. It uses English keywords, for example, print. So that it uses English keywords frequently, whereas other languages use punctuations. It has fewer syntactical constructions than other languages. So we are saying that Python is interpreted. Python is interpreted. Python is processed at runtime by the interpreter. You do not need to compile your program before executing. This is similar to Perl and PHP. So let us continue and see another one. We are saying that Python is interactive. You can actually sit at a Python prompt and interact with the interpreter directly to write your programs. Let us continue. We are saying that Python is object-oriented. Python supports object-oriented style or technique of programming that encapsulates code within objects. So these are the things we have been doing. I'm just making you learn or understand and become an expertise in Python programming. So now let us continue. Python is a beginner's language. Python is a great language for the beginner level programmers and supports the development of wide range of applications, from a simple text processing to www browsers to games. So my dear friend, that is all about the Python. I'm giving you basics of Python programming. So let's continue. Python is an open source and a cross-platform programming language. It is available for use under Python Software Foundation license. So let's continue. That is in brackets. We are saying that compatible to GNU, that is General Public License. So on all the major operating system platforms such as Linux, Windows, and Mac OS, that is Macintosh. So let's continue. We are saying that to facilitate new features and to maintain the readability, to facilitate new features and to maintain that readability, the Python enhancement proposal, that is PEP, here process was developed. So the Python enhancement proposal process was developed. This process allows anyone to submit a PEP for a new feature, library, or other addition. So the design philosophy of Python emphasizes on simplicity, readability, and ambiguity. So Python is known for its batteries included approach, as Python software is distributed with a comprehensive standard library of functions and modules. So Python supports imperative structured as well as object-oriented programming methodology. It provides features of functional programming as well. My dear friend, I think you have got the basics of Python programming. Thank you so much for watching. Let us meet in the next video.